Hello prospectors! In this video I'm going to show you how to craft the wind turbine in Icarus. Over on your tech tree, hover over to the Tier 4 section. In here you can find the wind turbine just after the electricity tool. Pay attention as well where you can craft this. You're going to need the fabricator at the start of the tech tree. So prepare that beforehand before delving into the wind turbine. Now, the turbine needs 8 electronics, 20 steel screws, 25 aluminium ingots, 35 copper wires, 25 gold wires, 5 carbon fibers. I'll briefly explain how you can make these materials. Electronics can be made with copper and gold wires, along with epoxy and organic resin. To make the organic resin, you can craft this with wood and oxite. For the epoxy, you can make this with the use of crushed bones or the recipe that uses sulfur and tree sap. I'd recommend the crushed bones one, since it's cheaper and renewable. For the steel screws, this can easily be made with steel ingots. You can make steel ingots by making the steel bloom. There's multiple recipes for this, so you can choose whichever one you want. All you have to do is craft the steel bloom and then just shove it into a concrete furnace or a higher tier furnace. For the wires, you just need the copper and gold ingots to make them. For the carbon fiber, you have to make the carbon paste in the mortar and pestle. Just craft the amount you need and then just shove it to a concrete furnace or a higher tier furnace to refine it to carbon fiber. Now you know how to make the materials, it's time to start crafting the turbine. Just place the turbine wherever you want as long as there's nothing close to it. For example, there's another turbine close by and you'll see the radius turn red, meaning that they're too close to each other and you should give them some space. This applies to other structures as well, like walls, so keep this mechanic in mind. Once you're done, just equip your electricity tool and connect it to the main grid. And now you have successfully added power to your base. And that's about it on how to craft the wind turbine in Icarus.